For smarteye software, this is the server part. Usually it's on a cloud server like Alibaba Cloud or Amazon AWS server, or usually on a on-premise server computer. There are no other user interface here on the server side, usually only to change the super admin password here. All the operations will be done on by web software. You can call it a web client. Here's the main web software map monitor to see live streaming or group PTT or geofence or other history GPS tracking or many functions here. Uh, Here there are two levels of management. Here is for this user interface. It's mainly for live view and GPS tracking and playback, remote playback. Uh, but for management, there are two levels. First is here to the upper right corner management. You see it's this. This is the high level user level. We call it user level management. Here mainly for user management and device management, device remote configuration, and some other functions. There is also a low level or system level uh, management. We call it management center. Here for usually it's server IP. Uh, Usually there will be the port for server IP with 9781 for HTTP access. But for this server, it's special. He we hide the port, so there is no such port. But for your own server, this port is necessary. Then with a center, uh, the, the, then the user interface is like this. The user is super admin, while for this we use admin. Uh, Usually we use admin here, ADMI. But for this system level management, the username is super admin. The default password is 126. For the system configuration is quite different from this user management. Uh, some low-level settings will be done here. Usually to several parts here. Uh, the main part is the parameters here. You can see many services. Uh, this is China's network IP camera standard. You can set for this stream input, you can set the port to receive stream, and for OnVIF, RTSP or RTMP, OnVIF, RTMP, RTMP out, RTMP in, the port. Usually for those third-party stream into this server, you can set port here, and for some special for this is for mobile DVR, vehicle mount mobile DVR, the port, media port, and the intercom port. Uh, and for storage, there's a special setting for storage. yeah, storage. For it will list all the hard disk on the server and which one you select to to save uh, media, to save audio and video in as recording files here. Uh, how many, uh, how much hard disk capacity will be left for loop recording. And for device upload, here you see device upload is disabled on this server because there is very limited hard disk on this server. So device upload is is disabled. By default, is enabled. Many system level settings here, and you can see your authorization. Yeah, authorization. This is authority code. This is usually wanted by us to enable some certain functions. For example, to enable RTMP input. Yeah, this is some value added functions here. You can see the status of the server. All the services are listed here. If anything offline, that means something goes wrong. So you can to fix it, or it shows the system info about error. Uh, there the CPU and the memory usage. And you can see the network usage. If your network bandwidth is limited, you can see if the network is overloaded. That will cause net delay or some network problems. Uh, so this is for center management center.